Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. We're really happy you're here today because this episode is going to help you solve one of the biggest problems in English learning. Many learners understand English, but when it's time to speak, they feel slow, nervous, or stuck. If that sounds like you, don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to help you respond faster and more naturally in English.
Hey guys, yes, this is a very common problem. You understand the question, you know the words, but your brain takes too long to respond. That pause can feel uncomfortable, and sometimes you lose confidence. But here's the good news. This problem is not about intelligence or talent. It's about practice and the right method. Today, we'll show you how to fix it step by step.
That's right. Today's topic is Speak English Faster, 100 phrases for instant response. Our goal is to train your brain to react quickly without translating or overthinking.
And here's the secret. You don't need long or perfect sentences. You need short, natural responses that come out automatically. That's how real conversations work.
Exactly. So let's start with something very important, how to avoid silence. When someone speaks to you and you say nothing, it feels awkward. But if you use simple phrases, you can stay in control of the conversation.
For example, if you need time to think, you can say, "Give me a second." This is very natural and buys you time.
Or you can say, "Let me think for a moment." This shows you are engaged in thinking, not confused.
You can also say, "That's a good question." This is a great phrase because it sounds confident and gives you time to prepare your answer.
These small phrases are powerful because they remove pressure. You don't feel rushed anymore.
Now let's move to understanding and reacting. If you understand something, you can say, "Got it."
Or, "That makes sense."
If you don't understand, say, "Could you say that again?"
Or, "I didn't catch that."
These phrases help you stay in the conversation without feeling embarrassed.
Now let's practice quick responses in daily life situations. Imagine someone asks you, "Are you busy today?" Instead of thinking too much, you can say, "A little bit."
Or simply, "Not really."
If someone says, "Do you want to join us?" you can respond quickly, "Sure, why not?"
Or, "Sounds good."
If someone says, "Let's meet later," you can reply, "Okay, that works."
Or, "Yeah, I'm free."
Notice how short and easy these responses are. That's the key to speaking faster.
Now let's talk about emotional reactions. These are very important because they help your conversation feel natural and alive.
If you are surprised, you can say, "Really?"
Or, "No way."
If you feel happy, say, "That's great." If you are unsure, say, "I'm not sure." If you agree, say, "Exactly."
And if you disagree, you can say, "I don't think so."
Now let's try a natural conversation where we use fast responses. Listen carefully and notice the speed. "Hey, Emma, are you free later today?" "I think so. What's up?" "I was thinking we could grab coffee." "Sounds good. What time?"
Maybe around 6 p.m.?
"Yeah, that works."
Great, see you then.
"See you."
That conversation was fast and smooth because we used simple, natural responses.
Yes, we didn't try to be perfect. We just reacted naturally.
Now let's build more speed with instant phrases. These are phrases you can use without thinking.
"I'll check."
No problem.
"I'm on it."
Give me a minute.
"Let's do it."
Why not?
"That's fine."
Sounds great.
The more you repeat these phrases, the faster your brain will respond in English.
Now let's go into a longer, more natural conversation.
"Hey, Emma, how's your day going so far?"
Pretty good, just a bit busy. How about you?
"Same here. I've got a lot to do, but I'm managing."
That's good. Are you planning anything later?
"Not really. I might just relax at home."
That sounds nice. Sometimes you just need a break after a long day.
Exactly. By the way, did you finish your project?
Almost done. I just need to review a few things before I submit it.
Nice. You're always so organized.
I try my best. It helps me stay calm and avoid stress.
That's a good habit. I should do that more often.
You can. Just start with small steps and stay consistent.
That makes sense. Maybe I'll start planning my tasks better tomorrow.
That's a great idea. Small improvements can make a big difference over time.
Thanks, Emma. Talking with you always helps me think more clearly.
I'm glad to hear that. Conversations like this help both of us improve.
You can hear how natural this conversation sounds.
Yes,
And the key is simple: short responses, quick thinking, and regular practice. Now let's practice a few more quick thinking sentences.
I'll do it now. Let me check. I'll get back to you.
That's a good idea.
I agree with you.
Maybe later. Not right now. I'll think about it. Now imagine using these phrases throughout your day. In the morning, you think, "I'm ready." At work, you say, "I'll handle it." With friends, "Sounds fun." When facing a problem, "I'll fix it." In the evening, "I'm tired." Before sleep, "Good day." This is how fluency grows, through simple, repeated, fast responses. Yes, fluency is not about perfect grammar. It's about communication and speed. Before we finish, here's your challenge. Choose 10 phrases from today's lesson. Repeat them out loud several times until they feel natural. Then use them in real conversations today, even if they are simple. Remember, progress comes from action, not just listening. Keep practicing and you will notice your speed improving day by day. That's it for today's episode. We hope this lesson helps you speak faster and with more confidence. Keep practicing every day and keep improving step by step. See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone. Take care.